filming some B-roll footage around this area. I'm filming for YouTube.
What do I look up to find it?
Sorry?
Once you go full frame, you don't go back usually because
Capital one.
Yeah.
it does things that the APS-C can't do. So now I'm stuck with it. I don't feel like going back to APS-C.
Yeah, I mean, good thing about APS-C is lighter and it's
That's why I use this for the light stuff. But
yeah, you
this
use a
doesn't-
GoPro, yeah?
But it doesn't take photos. I mean, it won't. Yeah, it doesn't do what this. I mean, it won't.
Yeah.
No photo. I mean, the photos are no.
Yeah, I use a DJI action camera as well for getting POV shots.
All those guys. I put it on my site.
Alright then. Alright, so I saw another photographer in this area. It's good to meet another fellow photographer. I'm in this area, I'm gonna meet my friend up. Going to the store, Snowflake. So yeah, this is Wardour Street, this is why you come here quite often. My mate's store, Snowflake, is in this area. Let's get some shots in this area. So I'm just gonna go down there and then I'm gonna get some shots in this area. Things now walk. It's not really that stable, but I've got active stabilization on. Get a shot down there. You know, I don't really go down there. Let's go somewhere different. Well, I haven't been down there before. Let's see what's down there. This little garden. Everything in this area. I don't think I'm gonna film in this area again now because it's quite boring getting the same shots going down the same area. So I'm just gonna go back to meet my friend and then I'm just gonna plan to go somewhere else.
Took photos, yeah?
Yeah. For the train right now, just with my mate. So yeah, we got this Brahman motor. Look at that. I got an iPhone 12 Pro. It's not funny, bro. You got an S25. Yeah. I have an A6700. You know, I had a Nikon D3500, but then I sold that. All right, then you might as well just buy just buy something that you like, innit? And make sure you look at the reviews of the camera.
What about Panasonic? I don't think it's nice.
You know, Panasonic's are alright as well, but I prefer Sony. You know, I met a guy who was using his camera as well. He had a Sony A1.
To be honest, I like the camera of yours.
Yeah, it's really good. If you look at it, Sony A6700. Type that in.
Sony camera, yeah?
No, just type Sony A6700.
I think I found some.
That's A6. That's the older model. If you want the older model, you can get that.
I want the new one, basically.
4K, yeah?
Yeah.
It shoots 4K as well. Like,
Search it.
look, the one I got.
I need to go and fix my drone as well, bro.
You need to fix your drone.
It's
I don't think they have. I don't think. Thing is, they don't have it. You have to look at different websites for
they
that.
have some, I think.
They have an A6400. You can get A6400 as well.
I mean, I like this one. Which one is that?
It's similar to the A6400. I sold a Nikon.
Where did it sold it?
I sold it like a month ago. Because I got this. You know, Leicas are really good, but they are really expensive.
Which one?
Leica.
Yeah?
And you can get hassled by someone trying to squeeze in the train. Actually, no. But the trains are packed though. Like we're in a rush hour.
Let's wait for it to be quiet then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You can't go on the Elizabeth line because White City doesn't go there. You have to take Central line
That's very bad.
or Hammersmith and City line. Alright, we need to get Central line to the... Yeah, I'm saying like, I don't know why they don't allow cameras in like big places. Like,
Are they afraid?
they don't allow big cameras. Like, I'll take my DJI camera.
When we went to one place, I remember that guy, he stopped me from using the camera.
Yeah, to Winter Wonderland. It's like,
Please stand to the right when using
with
the
my Nikon,
escalators.
I had my Nikon camera. Like, I had my Nikon camera.
Let's go out.
No, here, you gotta go Central line. So I had my Nikon camera, and then like they said you're not allowed to White City. So this is so different to like Elizabeth line. Arrived in White City.
Come, let me show you Snowflake.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the mall. See what's down there. Yeah, I'm hungry. I pinkish. Yeah, same here to be honest. Alright, so that's the White City, that's the BBC studio, television centre.
Wait, what's that?
That's the BBC television centre. I don't think you can.
Huh?
I think it's a corporate place. I'm not sure.
This one in Westfield, Stratford.
Yeah, there's another one in Stratford.
Can you go inside?
Outside, I don't think so. Can you go inside? I'm not sure.
Go check.
Let's not do it. I've got a camera. They're gonna say, why have I got my camera? Because a lot of places don't like cameras.
Why?
I don't know.
I know why.
Why?
Because you don't like me.
No, it's not that. A lot of places, like, because it's a big camera, people might get intimidated by it.
People think that you're stupid, you might take their photos.
You're not funny, bro.
You took once. And somebody said to you, why do you take the photos?
No, that's not true. Where was that?
I think it happened once.
When?
I remember it happened.
Where?
I took someone's photo and they said, please don't take photos. Let's go ahead. Are you going?
Yeah, it happened yeah, I was doing a street walk, photo walk with some guys, and then some guy and some, the rickshaws. He said, why are you taking the photo?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? In the UK, you have no expectation of privacy in a public place.
Building, bro.
That's there's nothing wrong with using cameras in the UK.
I like that
In
fountain,
a lot of
bro.
countries.
I like this fountain.
Yeah, it's a good fountain. I like it actually.
Colourful.
Yeah. I have to put the ISO up because of this.
There's one in Dubai, there's a big one.
Yeah, I filmed that. I filmed that.
You like? Do you have it on the stream?
Yeah, I've got no. Bro, saying stream. I mean, not on the stream, your vlog. Yeah, my vlog. Yeah.
It's the same thing. Don't move on. Did you make a vlog of it?
Yeah, I made a vlog of it.
Are you lying?
No, I'm not lying, bro.
Okay. How many views you got on it? 2 views.
200. It's not funny, bro.
I'm not gonna put these lives in the house.
I'm increasing my channel, bro. I've got 40. I've got
It's
20.
a bigger Westfield, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually massive. All right, so
John Lewis.
John Lewis, right here. John Lewis and Partners. Where should we go though?
Inside, bro. What do you
No, like where should we go first? Totally, yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You remember to buy a bicycle soon.
Yeah, you should buy a bike. It's good to get around London. It's healthy.
You have a bike at home?
Yeah, I've got a bike. Yeah, I use it often.
I haven't seen your bike, bro.
You need to see it. I've made a few videos about it. You should check out my channel.
Okay.
I went from Liverpool Street all the way to Battersea,
Yeah.
and then back to Mayfair, and then went to Bond Street. You should see that vlog. You have that in Stratford. You have that in Stratford. You got to press this.
No, but it's okay.
Press it for children. Look, it's coming out slowly.
Any man.
The main area. Pizza Pilgrim down. Oh, yeah. Snowflakes. Snowflakes right here. Look.
It's quite quiet.
Yeah, it looks quiet there, isn't it? Yeah.
Quite quiet.
Alright, let's go down to the.
Don't normally it's so beautiful.
Alright, so I've got my tortilla here. Got my burrito right here. Why you Alright, so I got this from my mate Snowflake. He's gonna get his as well. I just got mine. Snowflake. White City. Hey! We're in the lift now. Huh? I think we're going upstairs. We're in the loft. We're supposed to go down. Yeah, press the button. Pull the lift. Yeah, level 1.
Asim,
Yep.
I'm saying,
What?
you like this service?
Yeah, it's good service, yeah.
How many there might be a lot of flavors there?
Yeah?
There will be like a lot of flavors there.
Yeah, there were a lot of flavours, yeah.
You could have tried them. Yeah.
Bro, we're back here.
Which floor is it? Zero.
I think we're floor 0, ground floor.
Confusing.
It's confusing, yeah. I thought second floor was
The
this.
Westfield White Stratford is easier. This one is bigger than
Alright, so we're here.
Fine Sky now.
We're gonna find Sky, yeah? What? There's even an Eland there. It's quite a big mall, look at that. Apple Store. Hello. How come you want to upgrade this phone? The iPhone 12 is good, isn't it? I'm saying the iPhone 12 is alright, or do you want to upgrade?
I will upgrade.
Yeah, I guess it's older, but like if the battery's alright.
No, my battery is dead.
Yeah.
Shit.
So you're gonna go to Apple Store, yeah? He's gonna just get a new iPhone from the Apple Store. And yeah, it's quite a big mall here, bigger than the Stratford one.
I know, but what generation is it?
I think it's the newer one, isn't it? It's Apple TV.
That's not an Apple TV.
Yeah, it's Apple TV.
Use it.
Yeah, look. It's got Type-C interface. AirTags, yeah. And then even got power banks here. I've got other devices, even a SSD. That's software.
£100.
That's software.
That's too much.
Yeah, it's expensive for a piece of software.
It's too much, bro.
It's like an iMac, but it's
£800.
iOS. Yeah, it's like a MacBook. Give me that vibe. And have a HomePod. I don't know who uses the HomePod these days. Small in a long time. iPad Mini. It's like an iPhone. You see all the photos that have been taken on there. Let's get some nice shots as well. iPad. Just said that. It closed at 10. Alright, so my mate's got a new iPhone. Nice. Samsung to get his earbud case. He lost his case.
You know that I lost case inside the.
Is it the one you lost on EasyJet on the plane?
Basically.
And you still have the earbuds.
So is it possible that?
See what they say.
We won't just give you up the case. When you come for the appointment, we are going to take in your buds. Engineer is going to connect it with the case.
Alright, let's do an arm wrestle then.
Hey, don't record it.
I'm strong, bro. I'll go to the gym, innit? You go to the gym as well, or not?
I don't know how I lost it. Left hand.
Alright.
Go to gym. Where
Yeah,
do you go?
I'll go gym. 3, 2, 1.
The Jimmy Roll.
Local. What the fuck?
No? क्या बोला? क्या? Are you gonna put that video of his on your channel?
Yeah.
17 Pro.
Yeah, he's having his ice cream
I'm having it.
from no, his bro's having it. He's got it from Snowflake in Shepherd's Bush,
White City.
White City. So we're walking down to we're walking to Shepherd's Bush station now. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night.
It's been long, to be honest. It's fine.
Yeah, it's a long day.
Yeah, we're missing from 4 hours.
Yeah, I was roaming around Tottenham
What's the
Court
weather
Road.
right now? Tell the weather update.
So the weather right now,
It's going to be
see it, it's 12 degrees. We're in the London borough of Hammersmith and Fulham right now. So this is the weather.
This weather is affecting Qasim.
Hey,
It can make Qasim weak.
it's October, so I guess it's not too cold, but it's gonna start to get colder and
What do you predict until we reach home? What will happen to the ice cream? He does not eat.
melt of.
Why?
What kind of question is that? A train. A lot of wind. It's cold wind as well. Don't do that.
Let's go.
Right, so he's unboxing his iPhone. See it? iPhone. Why don't you turn it on? Are you going to turn it on? USB Type-C.
Yeah, Type-C with the charger.
I mean, they used to give the plug and everything, but now they just give you the wire and that's it. Apple used to sort you out,
Yeah.
but now they don't. Now they just give you the phone.
This is the fuel we have, and we're gonna turn off.
Right, you're gonna pure it. Ultimate fuel.
This is a Central Line train to Hainault
On a train.
via Newbury
Unboxing on the
Park.
train.
It's the iPhone 17.
This
iPhone
is a
17.
Central Line train to
Turn it on.
Hainault via Newbury Park.
Get a screen protector on the case. Yeah, of course. Type-C as well. Type-C on there. You need to go for the setup. So you just go put English on there. United Kingdom. See, it's a good device. Yeah, you can do the setup and then I'll film it. You need Wi-Fi, so you can do it without Wi-Fi. You can hotspot from your other phone. Right, I connected into my hotspot because I've got a lot of data. Your old phone, or do you want to like just set up from new?
I will transfer, but not right now. I will do it later.
Oh, you can do it when you get home?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me see it again. Yeah.
Brand new iPhone 17.
Yep, it's got USB Type-C as well.
No, Type.
Alright, so that was my vlog with my mates. He unboxed his new iPhone. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching. One True Legend.